Now, how can you use the Snapchat app on your Apple Watch? Let's get started. So, you have probably noticed that the Snapchat, if you check it out inside of the App Store, has a platform or a dedicated app for the Apple Watch as well. It is there alongside the iPhone, of course, and the iPad as well. So, how does it work on the watch? Well, if you open up the app directly on your wrist, you're going to notice that it only shows you this yellow screen with a logo on it, and there isn't really much else you can do. And the only point of the app, the only usable scenario is whenever you receive a snap, which is a text based, it will show up on your wrist, and you can use the app to access it and quickly reply to it. So you will have the ability to use the keyboard or some other text input method from the watch and reply quickly to these text snaps. And you will not have the ability to check out the pictures or videos, and of course there is no option to create a picture or post it from the watch since the watch doesn't have any camera. So that is the whole point of this, right? As I said, if you check out the App Store and see the previews of the Apple Watch Snapchat app, you will notice that it really doesn't show you that much. Like, the only 4 screenshots from the app include the incoming snap and replying to it. But one of the screenshots literally is the empty logo, which doesn't really do anything, which just tells you that the app isn't as usable as we would like it or expect it to be. So that's how it works. This is how you can use it. Obviously, it is not ideal, but I'm just showing you how it works. So let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.